Today, we are one of the most important quality maintaining sannyas sampradaya of Hinduism. Surely I am not claiming quantity, but with all the right, I have a right to claim quality. The absolute standards, understand? Absolute standards. My existing sannyasis maintain. I can challenge any monastic order in the world. Forget about the guys who left. I'm not talking about them. But the fellows who are still standing, you see, it's like going against the whole current. It's not a joke. But my existing sannyasis, the standard they maintain, I can put them on any stage, any acid test, with all the pride and right. I can claim quality. Of course, always in the initial level, that importance need to be given for quality, so that model is set, trend is set. So I did not bother about quantity. Even now I am not at all bothered about quantity. It is all about quality. If there is a conflict, the first word I utter is get lost. Not that let us plan, work it out, no. Making it up, work it out, all these are words used in marriage, not in sannyas. Let's make it happen, let's work it out. All these are words used in marriage, not in sannyas. In sannyas, if there is a conflict, get lost. That is a word, nothing else. And I can say, uncompromisingly, not falling for the greed of the quantity, not falling for the greed of the number, keeping my integrity to Kalabhairava and Sadashiva. With all my intelligence and knowledge and powers he has given, I maintained absolute highest quality. Many times sacrificing the interests of the Sangha or the personal comforts. Absolutely I kept the flag of sannyas flying high. One thing I can be sure, if you are still part of the Nityananda Sannyas Sampradaya, you can be really proud you are part of the best Sannyas Sampradaya. Because for sannyasis, the quality of sannyas was the first priority, and I did not compromise on it anywhere. I did not compromise on it anywhere. It is absolute. There's no second level or exemptions. No. In sannyas, I kept the highest standard. One thing I can say, in these 14 years, I have done the work of creating best quality sannyasis. People know otherwise. This is the standard Swamiji has set. If we are able, in or out. But no question of bending the order or lowering the flag. No. Flag flies high. No compromise on tattvas and satyas. Understand? The vows of sannyas we take in the banks of Vaidya Sarovar is not just keeping all the Sangha world as humanity as witness, keeping all the gods and goddesses as witness. See the Vaidya Sarovar. All the gods, goddesses are sitting there. All of them are witness. So on those vows, no compromise. The quality, uncompromising quality